So here is my Indian food from Beaumont Fried Chicken. Weird name, but every Friday they have a different Indian um, treat or Indian entree. And this one is chicken and spinach with naan bread and rice. The naan bread is right here. Pretty good. And you got your rice. And you've got your chicken, spinach. I know it doesn't look very appetizing, but wait till you try it. Let me see, I'm going to take a little taste. Let's see here. Kind of spicy. It's got good flavor, got good spice and taste to it. Rice equally good, really moist, really flavorful. So there's my review from the Indian foods, chicken and spinach from Beaumont Fried Chicken.